Yeah, in fact, it's a very rare occasion and a very happy moment for me. This morning, I had a very wonderful audience with His Holiness and seek His blessing. And also, I'm very happy to see that His Holiness' health is now has improved a lot. So we also pray for the long life of His Holiness. And this morning, I had a very good discussion with His Holiness. Since Arunachal Pradesh and in particularly the Mon area people, they share a very good relation with His Holiness, the Dalai Lama. So on behalf of the people of the state, I have invited His Holiness to visit Arunachal Pradesh as and whenever he feels so. And His Holiness was kind enough to accept the invitation on behalf of the people. And in coming days, definitely His Holiness will be visiting Arunachal, which is a very good news for the people of Arunachal Pradesh and in particularly the people of Mon area. Apart from that, since I have mentioned that the relation of Mon area and in particular with His Holiness, we have a very special relation. So जब हिज होलीनेस 1959 को जब तिब्बत से भारत में आए और जब वो तवांग में रुके तो उस एरिया में हम लोग ने एक फोड्रंग बनाया फॉर हिज होलीनेस। आज हमारा अरुणाचल के जनता की ओर से और ख़ास करके मोन एरिया के लोगों का ओर से मैंने आज उस फोड्रंग को भी अपना गंडन फोड्रंग ट्रस्ट जो हिज होलीनेस का जो ट्रस्ट है उसको मैं पब्लिक के ओर से मैंने आज डोनेट भी दिया हुआ है।